Wait. That is not what our video is about. That is not us. We don't have a private jet.
Got him!
Literally, we don't have any of those things, but what we do have, we have 4 steps and 4 ways that potentially you can get yourself there. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get to that next level. So one of the biggest things, number one to me, is find your passion. You gotta find your passion, figure out what you're good at, your niche, and what works for you. So we're back from Idaho and we're ready to go. So let me tell you about our project. We're building 10 tree houses and 1 massive wedding barn in upstate New York. Location, Sodus, New York. We are building 10 tree houses. We're ready to go. We're gonna do this. I wanna show you guys how to do it like we're doing it. And by the way, they're A-frame style cabins. It's gonna be crazy, amazing.
The next thing I love, and you'll see in this video, is pause and reflect. Find the things that allow for you to have some time to really refuel your tank.
All my life I've been carried by grace. Don't ask me how, 'cause I can't explain. It's nothing short of a miracle I'm here. I've got some blessings that I don't deserve. I've got some scars, but that's how you learn. It's nothing short of a miracle I'm here. Yeah. I think it over and it doesn't add up. I know it comes from above. I've got miracles on miracles, a million little miracles. Miracles on miracles, count your miracles. 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't even count them all.
To the people that said you'd never be nothing, to the people that laughed at your dreams, what you gonna tell those people? You can sense it yet, but you are standing next to an overcomer.
We just left the Maverick City concert. Amazing.
Oh my God, what an amazing show. You did good, babes.
Number 3, trust your gut. Sometimes when your gut's telling you something, it might be the right thing. So for me and my wife, we always trust our gut. In doing all this, creating our Airbnbs, we have always trusted our gut, and this has allowed us to make the right decisions.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
We just got a chance to meet with the Sodus board about our plans to build out phase 1 of our, right now it's titled as Sodus Cabins, and they gave us a resounding yes.
Let the building begin.
Later that night.
So we literally made a last-minute decision to pack our bags, head upstate, and go on for an adventure. We knew that we had to do it now before the ground froze over. And then, of course, that. So we knew we had to just battle through and just figure out a way how to get to New York. Once again, we're always faced with challenges.
This morning, lake effect snow is burying parts of the Midwest and Northeast as what officials call a life-threatening storm takes hold.
Oh, no.
And overnight, a driving ban going into effect for all of Erie County, home to nearly 1 million people. Truck drivers in the area racing against the clock.
Well, I'm going gas up, and I'm trying to get far away from New York as I possibly can.
Not again. Another snowstorm. So we're gonna be driving straight through the snowstorm, possibly headed towards New York, lake effect snow.
Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm going to see my nana today, because I'm sick, and it's her birthday.
We finally made it to West Virginia, through Pennsylvania, and finally, New York. At that time, I realized that the car was able to drive itself. I was excited. We felt like the Avengers walking onto that field. Man, we were excited. My job was to lay out all the building locations at the site. So naturally, I walked it all off, measured, pounded some stakes in the ground.
Teamwork. Daryl and I have not been able to do this by ourselves. A, we have built a phenomenal team, and B, we have a community and a village of people around us that are praying for our success.
Walkway starting up right here, and it raises up to my 6 feet, like roughly right here, okay? And then each of the 5 cabins is gonna be the walkway straight down. That tree's probably gonna have to go.
And then trying to figure out the hot tub situation, I don't really love the hot tub situation and then the stair situation. So we still have to have stairs for them to get down to the hot tub. So my idea was, instead of it being 6 feet, what if we brought it down? 6 feet is your height. What if we brought it down to 4 feet?
Oh, now I'm 6 feet?
You're not, I mean, Damari is, you're not 6 feet, but you know, kind of lied about your height. Pause. This is where we have to pause in the story. The reason I just said that is, on our first date, Daryl told me he was over 6 feet tall. I told him I like tall guys. That was not the truth.
I forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
I lied!
As the day progresses, more and more equipment shows up on site. Dump trucks, bobcats, excavators. We're building something now. See you next week. Please like and subscribe.